Hi. Compressed air is one of the most expensive utilities in industrial plants, and yet up to 30% is often lost through undetected leaks. That means thousands of pounds in wasted energy every year, completely invisible to most maintenance teams. My name is Abdelila Serde, and I'm a senior predictive maintenance consultant at CBM Partners, the official UK distributor of HIKMICRO. We support industries with high microthermal and acoustic imaging technologies to improve reliability, energy efficiency, and maintenance performance. And today I want to focus on one of the most effective ways to tackle this problem: compressed air leak detection. With the Hike Micro AI56 and Hike Micro AI76 acoustic cameras, you can detect air leaks instantly, visualize them in real time, quantify energy loss on the spot, and reduce operational costs immediately.